Hi there, students. To hightail. Okay, to hightail as a verb. It means to leave, to go somewhere in a great hurry. Let's hightail it out of here. Yeah? As soon as I discovered that they were coming, I hightailed it out of the house. Okay, notice, I think this is much more common in the US and in Canada than in the UK. But if you use it in British English in the UK, people will understand you perfectly well. Notice this is a bit informal as well. Okay, so to hightail, to go somewhere in a great hurry, particularly when you're leaving, you're escaping. Yeah, there's particularly when there's something that you don't want to encounter, a way to get out of a problem. Okay, so yeah, to hightail, to move at full speed, especially in retreat. So the dog ran at the lion barking and then hightailed it away from the lion as fast as it could. As soon as my great aunt arrived, I hightailed it out of the house. Yeah, he hightailed it towards town. Notice very often as well, hightail it. Come on, hightail it. Let's move it. So just the addition of it as well, meaning let's move it. Yeah, if we want to arrive in time, we're really going to have to hightail. Yeah, we need to move it. The last we saw of her ex-boyfriend, he was hightailing it down the street. Yeah, so to hightail, to bolt, to clear out. Yeah, to skedaddle, to scram, to vamoose. Come on, beat it, hightail it, go away quickly. Yeah, so if we're going to arrive in time for the plane, we're really going to have to hightail it. Yeah, to move in a great hurry. Okay, so yes. If you're smart, you'll hightail it when danger arrives. When all of his creditors started demanding payment, he hightailed it to Latin America. He disappeared. He ran away. Okay, so let's look at this. How formal is this hightail? I think I would give it a 4 in formality. Yeah, so it's informal English, and remember it's particularly American. A regular verb, he hightailed it. He's hightailed it to a safe place, to run away, to skedaddle, to escape. And then as to origin, well, it comes from high tail. And very often animals, when they run away, they raise their tail up. Yeah, because it's a much, it's a faster way of moving. Yeah, if you see a dog running as fast as it can, normally its tail goes back and it curves slightly upwards, and that's the idea of to hightail. Okay, so to hightail, to escape. And remember, it's more informal and it's an Americanism. Oh, well, but you can use it in British. So, I think it's time for me to hightail it. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To hightail.